Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Vmware Tools is installed because it provides dynamic resizing. Once done, verify the host display resolution and any multi-monitor layout to avoid scaling conflicts. Log into the guest as an administrator so you can change display drivers or settings if needed. Next, open the VMware Workstation or Fusion window and select the target VM. These initial steps let the guest accept size updates and prevent driver mismatches when you resize the VM display. You can trigger resizing directly. Choose View Then Fit Guest Now or enable Auto Resize Guest Display so the VM matches the VMware window. If that doesn't produce the exact size, open the Guest OS display settings and pick the target resolution or scaling. For Linux guests, restart the X or Wayland session. For Windows, sign out or reboot to finalize driver geometry. Make sure VMware Tools is running. Without it, the guest won't receive the new frame buffer dimensions correctly. Once the display matches your needs, lock the resolution and verify DPI or scaling so UI elements look correct. If resizing still fails, reinstall or update VMware Tools. That fixes most driver handshake problems. As a deeper fix, edit the VMX file, enable SVGA, auto-detect or increase SVGA, RAM size to accommodate higher resolutions. If you change VMX, power off the VM before saving. One key tip: if the guest shows black bars or cropping,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.